Meta's layoff culture isn't stopping anytime soon. This time, they laid off around 8,000 employees. At first, it looks like routine, like another monthly tech layoff ritual. But when you look deeper into the data, things become a lot more unsettling. At first, you might think, oh, Meta is cutting off employees because the company is struggling financially. Maybe because of the metaverse BS that Zuckerberg poured billions into. I mean, they were so confident they dumped absurd amount of money into what basically looked like a futuristic 3D version of MS Paint. Or maybe you think, nobody even uses Facebook anymore, so Meta must be losing money. That's why they did this, right? But surprisingly, Meta is actually doing better than ever. Instagram continues printing money thanks to endless brain-rot content. And WhatsApp remains one of the biggest communication platforms on earth by stealing our data. So if the company is still thriving, why are they laying off thousands of employees? So that's why I asked the same question to Zuckerberg, and this was his response. Well, according to reports, Meta's layoffs are part of a massive restructuring effort focused around artificial intelligence. Now, let me make that clear. Those 8,000 employees were not directly replaced by AI. This wasn't like Ultron or T-300 like robots replacing them. It's more complicated than that. Meta is aggressively shifting resources towards AI infrastructure, GPUs, data centers, and autonomous AI systems. Thousands more are being moved into AI-focused teams. The company is also reportedly freezing thousands of open positions and flattening management structures. And honestly, that's the interesting part, because this story isn't really about Meta. Across the tech industry, companies are doing the exact same thing, cutting workers while aggressively investing into AI. And obviously, everyone wants to ride the hype train right now. And for years, big tech companies operated in something called growth mode, like hiring more people, build bigger teams, and expand endlessly. That was the Silicon Valley's formula. But now the industry has entered a completely different era, the AI shift. AI is changing how companies think about productivity and efficiency. Tasks that once required entire department now can sometimes be handled by a smaller team using AI tools. Coding, marketing, customer support, research, design. And the scary part isn't necessarily AI replacing one worker. Because realistically, most layoffs right now are not AI directly took your job. It's more like companies are spending enormous amounts of money on AI. And to fund that massive money, they are reducing the headcounts elsewhere. So basically, you become a row in a spreadsheet that gets deleted. So technically, you lost your job because of AI, just not to a literal robot sitting at your desk. And now companies are starting to realize they may not need as many employees as before. Maybe AI can handle some part of the workload. In reality, junior devs are doing overtime. Either way, expectations are changing. And this is the end of the old tech era. Because for years, tech jobs felt untouchable. High salaries, free food, massive campuses, unlimited perks. And getting hired at a company like Meta felt like escaping poverty overnight. But now, even those jobs are now very unpredictable. Like, take an example of this guy. Worked at a company called Atlassian for 8 years and built some of the most critical infrastructures that every developer, I guess, uses. And one day, he was laid off. Like, can you imagine a guy with that much experience and that much expertise getting laid off? The old Silicon Valley model was built during an era of cheap money and endless expansion. Today, companies care about something completely different. Efficiency. Smaller teams, higher output, fewer layers of management. Now, honestly, I'm not some productivity expert, so I can't sit here and pretend I know exactly how much AI will truly improve efficiency in long term. But clearly, companies believe it will. And that belief alone is changing the tech industry. Because the real warning sign may not be that Meta laid off thousands of workers. The real warning sign is that these layoffs increasingly look strategic, not temporary. This doesn't feel like normal cost cutting anymore. And whether people like it or not, the shift is already happening across the globe. And at the end of the video, I just want to say, stay safe, because you genuinely don't know when you are next. And if you still have a job, maybe buy me a coffee. And that's all it. I will see you next time. Bye. And by the way, I'm trying something a little bit different with this video because I want to do some trend jacking, and using gameplay takes less time to make the video. So tell me if you like this or not. And yeah, bye.